I'm Margaret from Heidi and Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to do a yarn over. So a yarn over is simply wrapping the yarn over the needle from the front to the back, and if you were looking at the needle this way, it would be wrapping it counterclockwise. So if we're doing it from a knit stitch and then the next stitch is going to be a knit stitch, we're going to take the yarn that's in the back, bring it in between the two needles, bring it up over the top, and then we're ready to work our next stitch. So the yarn over is simply bringing it from the back to the front and then back to the back again, so we're ready for the next stitch. So I'll knit that stitch. Then if we were going to do a yarn over going from a knit stitch, and then if our next stitch we were going to purl it, you're going to bring your yarn to the front, up over the top, and then back to the front. And so that wrapped it around just one time, just like it did before, and our yarn is back in the front, so we're ready to purl the next stitch. Then next, let's try doing it going from a purl stitch to another purl stitch. So our yarn's already in the front, so we're going to take it up over the needle and then bring it around back to the front in between our two needle tips. And so we've just wrapped it over the needle one time, and we're ready to purl again with our yarn in the front. And now let's try it going from a purl stitch, and then we're going to knit the next stitch. So we're just going to take our yarn from the front, up over the top, and then it's already in the back, ready to knit the next stitch. And you'll notice here how the yarn overs, they create a hole, and then they're also a little bit on an angle from our regular knit and purl stitches. They kind of slant to the left from the front to the back. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Heidi and Lana. Happy knitting!